When I was brought in to help a medical device company that specialized in wearable health monitors, they were struggling to keep customers engaged after the initial purchase. We took a closer look at the customer experience and realized that after the sale, customers were feeling left in the dark. There was no follow-up, there was no guidance on how to get the most out of their device, and we needed to change that. We wanted them to feel like they were being taken care of by the brand, by the company, by the product. So we started by sending personalized follow-up emails with tips and tricks on how to use the device effectively. Then we launched a loyalty program that rewarded customers for staying engaged and sharing their experiences. And then to keep that kind of momentum going, we organized webinars that offered deeper insights into health monitoring, right? So the webinars were essentially educational stacks on top of the wearable. If you're interested in going above and beyond, here's how you can do that. The results were pretty clear. Customer retention improved significantly. The brand started seeing more repeat purchases, more referrals were coming through. It was fantastic. If you are having a difficult time, if you're finding it tough to keep your customers engaged, think about what happens after they buy. What happens after they buy? Do you collect money and then disappear? Or do you stay with them? Are you taking care of them? Are you helping them through the process from marketing to sales to product support to customer support when they have problems? Are you proactively educating them? That sort of thing. If you have any questions about this, let's chat. If you're having difficulty figuring this kind of stuff out, if you're not connecting with your customers, it might be time to rethink your strategy. Reach out to me on LinkedIn or at michaelpacheco.co. Let's discuss how we can keep your customers coming back.